We closed on a pull day. The Dow fell 0.45%, the S&P down 0.25%, and the Nasdaq's down 0.3%. Then the Russell 2000 down 0.09%, finishing off lows with the S&P still less than 1% from its record. Breadth leaned negative, about 1.3 to 1 decliners to advancers on both the NYSE and the Nasdaq. Total exchange volume came in around 10.5 billion on the NYSE and 16.5 billion on the Nasdaq. More grind than capitulation. Rates were a little changed. The 2-year 3.76 up a basis point. The 10-year was flat. The 30-year flat at 4.85%. The dollar index firmed about 0.4%. Gold slid 2.56% after clarity that gold imports won't face tariffs. WTI edged up 0.30% to $64.07, and Bitcoin futures gained around 2.3%. Under the hood, energy, tech, utilities, and industrials paced the pull, while consumer staples and discretionary eked out small gains. Big tech was mostly softer, but Tesla bucked the trend. Semis outperformed, helped by MU's guidance raise, and lithium names caught a bid on cattle mine headlines. On the flip side, AI, C3.AI, cratered after a negative pre-announcement deal and activist chatter. Macro backdrop stayed wait and see into Tuesday's CPI. Markets are pricing a 90% chance of a September cut and roughly 60 basis points of easing this year, while tariff mechanics could start showing up in core goods. How much and how soon is the debate. Geopolitics remain noisy. Trump-Putin meeting set for Friday. Ukraine, Europe pushing back on ceasefire terms, but the tape mostly ignored it. Big picture, valuations look full after the run, so I'm watching for leadership churn and using the curve as my compass. I favor the intermediate part of the bond curve for carry and potential price upside if cuts arrive. And I'm neutral on broad commodities near term, with industrial metals relatively better than energy. On pull days like this, I focus on 3 tells: the dollar, the curve, and sector leadership. A firm dollar and a flat curve usually tilt the field toward quality and cash flow name. A cooler CPI tomorrow could ease yields and reopen risk. No move here is advice, just the framework I use to keep reps clean. Drop a like or follow if you like this stuff. Stay disciplined, stay profitable. God bless. I'll see you tomorrow morning.